How can my kid make money with YouTube? Now that's a common question that parents always ask me when it comes to their kids making video. To an adult mind, especially when time is so little, what we want to do is to make best use of our time, and that includes possibly doing something that can lead up to making money. Now unfortunately, as adults, we don't really have that time. That's why when we see our kids wanting to do YouTube, we can't help but to ask these questions because possibly the videos that my kid is doing ended up making money. And most of the time, what adults will be thinking when starting a YouTube channel would be, what is the product that is most popular today that if I make videos of, I could really sell a lot of and earn commission from? What is the content direction and roadmap that I should be planning so that I can achieve my goal? But to a kid, that's not what they will be thinking of. To a kid, making videos and having a few people seeing it from school or random people on the internet is really what they want to achieve. They want to feel a sense of their videos being seen, they have a bit of an identity, they feel good about themselves, and not necessarily developing a plan and making hundreds of videos that lead up to earning the revenue that you're thinking of. And not only that, it's great if your kid wants to do YouTube early because that's the time where they're actually sharpening a lot of their soft skills while gaining hard skills, so that eventually when they become teenager or a young adult, they start to develop this sense on how to earn using content creation. So in the beginning, instead of trying to get your kid to monetize their channel based on the hobbies that they currently like, try to encourage them by making better videos, being consistent, and just making sure there is an upload once every 2 weeks or even better once every week, so that they can develop that habit of making video and finding themselves and eventually being able to attract an audience and grow from there. And if you want to learn how to do that, then you can join my free 1-month program. Link is in the description down below. Now here's another video that you might be interested to see to help your kid become a better content creator.